Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is Iqra Applied Grammar 3 for class 8. This is lesson number 29. Dear students, now open your books on page 41. Dear students, this is exercise A, extended practice. This was the homework that was given to you yesterday. Now this is the time to give you feedback. The students, I have written my timetable next Saturday's trip. I will have been taking a healthy breakfast since 8:15. I will have been getting on the bus since 8:45. I will have been traveling by the bus since 9. I will have been reaching at the gate of the safari park since 10:15. I will have been getting the tickets for entrance since 11:30. I will have been taking lunch with my friends since 1 o'clock. I will have been boating with friends since 1:30. I will have been offering Zuhr prayer in the nearby masjid since 2 o'clock. I will have been playing cricket with my friends since 2:20. I will have been watching safari animals since 4 o'clock. I will have been getting back on the school bus since 4:45. I will have been traveling back to school since 5:30. It was the homework that was given yesterday. The students, now we are heading towards learn to speak activity or segment. Before going to this segment, we will read the word bank. Host a party, do diploma courses, read many books, complete the schoolwork, learn a foreign language, get to know everyone, buy a new house, go on a tour, become punctual, save monthly income, respect each other, dine out weekly, wait for the van, get ready for home, go to sleep early. Students, now this is the time for the segment learn to speak. Students, for this activity you will need a partner. That may be your father, mother, sister, brother, or a friend. This is your partner will say to you, Assalamu alaikum. You will answer, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. And then he will ask you the question. Tell 2 things that you have been doing by the time you pass your matric exam. And then you will answer him. The students' answer may be, I will have been going to sleep early by the time I pass my matric exam. And the second sentence, I will have been reading many books by the time I pass my matric exam. Second sentence, tell 2 things that you will not have been doing by the time you get a job. Possible answers may be, I will not have been hosting a party by the time I get a job. And second sentence, I will not have been dining out weekly by the time I get a job. Sentence number 3 or question number 3, tell 2 things you will have been doing by the time you reach home in the afternoon. 2 possible answers may be, I will have been waiting for the bus or waiting for the van by the time I reach home in the afternoon. And the second sentence, I will have been getting ready for home by the time I reach home in the afternoon. And the fourth statement, tell 2 things that your family members will have been doing by the start of next year. Possible answers may be, my family members will have been saving monthly incomes by the start of next year. And the second sentence may be, my family members will have been going to sleep early by the start of next year. Dear students, now this is the last segment, learn to write. There are two exercises. First statement or exercise, write 8 things that you will have been doing by the time you complete your matric. And the exercise B, write 8 sentences on the things your family members will or will not have been doing by the start of next year. The students, I have written 8 sentences for exercise A for you, but you will write your own sentences. The sentence number 1 that I have written for you, I will have been reading many books by the time I complete my matric. Second sentence, I will have been completing my school work by the time I complete my matric. Sentence number 3 may be, I will have been becoming punctual by the time I complete my matric. Sentence number 4, I will have been going to sleep early by the time I complete my matric. Sentence number 5, I will have been learning all my work by the time I complete my matric. Sentence number 6, I will have been managing my time by the time I complete my matric. Sentence number 7, I will have been avoiding outdoor activities by the time I complete my matric. And the sentence number 8, the last sentence, I will have been following a timetable by the time I complete my matric. The students, this is exercise B, things that my family members will or will not have been doing by the start of next year. Sentence number 1 that I have written for you, my family members will have been saving monthly income by the start of next year. Second sentence, my family members will have been getting up early by the start of next year. Sentence number 3, my family members will have been avoiding junk food by the start of next year. Sentence number 4, my family members will have been decorating the house by the start of next year. Sentence number 5, my family members will not have been wasting their time by the start of next year. Sentence number 6, my family members will not have been going on a tour by the start of next year. Sentence number 7, my family members will not have been dining out weekly by the start of next year. And the last sentence, my family members will not have been hosting a party by the start of next year. Okay students, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.